Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you will receive alerts when there are new episodes. Go get it.
That's what I tell them. I've been grinding for so long, I wake up and chase my goals. I go out and I go get it. How to code, that's all I know. I don't succeed, then I don't breathe. Success, what does it mean? If I conquer all my goals, then I'm living out my dream. Dig deep, go out and get it. Success Chronicles. Compete until it's finished. Success Chronicles. Go take care of your business. Success Chronicles. It's deeper than just winning. Success.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Chip Baker. We are here. I'm here with Coach Bobby Darnell. We are here at the Future Coaches of Texas event here through Texas A&M. And man, great guy doing great things. I just wanted to talk to you, Coach, about success. What's your definition of success, Coach?
You know, success is different for everybody, right? It's not always wins or losses. For us at Clements High School, and specifically in our football program, we want to just be able to chase elite. We want to chase what that process looks like. And hopefully it turns out to be wins or losses, but I'm chasing elite memories, I'm chasing elite experiences, and I'm chasing the process of making sure that when our kids leave our program in whatever sport, they know resiliency, they know what hard work looks like, they have a grit about them, and hopefully we've provided enough experiences and memories that they're going to go out and be good humans in this world, because we all know that we need them.
We need it. I love that, how you talked about just like making a difference and teaching them life through sports, because that's what it's all about. You know, we've all had those people that's poured into us that made us who we are.
Absolutely.
Hit on the importance of having a positive influence in your life.
Absolutely. I talk about that all the time. Impact, influence, influential, right? You know, or inspiring. So people that have inspired me have been different coaches that kind of believed in me when I didn't maybe believe in myself.
Yes, sir.
You know, Coach Molig comes to mind. Scott Molig, who was the first head coach at Bush High School, gave me my first job. Coach Knowles gave me another job at Clements High School. Coach Sniffen, who was at Ridge Point, opened up Ridge Point and gave me my first opportunity to be a coordinator, and then being able to come back to Clements High School. You know, those specific, everybody should have a tree, right? A tree of mentors, a tree of people that are still continuing to inspire, impact, and influence us. That'll allow us to go do that for others. So my coaching tree is really important to me. We talk almost on a daily basis, and different experiences from my Clements days, Ridge Point days, Bush days, kind of come into play every single day, you know, and come out in how I am every single day. So just those are just a few names that kind of come to mind when it comes to anybody that's influenced me and anybody who's made me the way I am right now.
Love it, love it. Well, Coach, thanks so much for your time, and I wish you continued success.
I appreciate it. We're going to need it, and but again, it doesn't come down to wins and losses. We're trying to win in a whole lot of other areas as well.
That's good. A real well-rounded approach, and I think when you can train your young athletes and coaches as well to look at it from that perspective, that sets them up to be successful in life.
Absolutely, and that's something that a lot of people don't worry about, the coaching aspect of it too. Like, I'm here for my coaches too. I don't want my coaches to be around me the whole time. I want them to go achieve the dreams that they have. You know, Coach Jason Haddock is the perfect example. You know, he was
an awesome dude.
We had a great run as our defensive coordinator at Clements High School, but that wasn't the goal for him. He needed to go get his own program. He needed to go be the man, and he's doing a great job at Wharton, and we still talk often because that's the goal. I want my coordinators to go do their thing. You know, that's the goal, and I need to be able to mentor and mold the other ones.
Shout out to Coach Haddock.
Absolutely, that's my guy. Sick him.
Well, there it is. Thanks again, Coach.
Yes, sir.
Good luck to you and everything. Appreciate your time.
Absolutely.
All right. Go get it.